Yo guys, welcome to Set of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 454. Stocks midday, BPTH up 160%. Right now it's going down a little bit. It's up to 160% again. GME and AMC rising. And yeah, this is technical analysis for stock. Now, thank you for being here with me. I know I was muted. Thank you, Omar. And thank you, Soka. I just realized that. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me tonight. Today, sorry, at the Set of Crypto. And again, like I said, I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub, join us on Discord. Links in the description. If you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and stocks-related news and analysis, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button and the bell. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, like I said, join the Discord. Also, you can join me on Twitter. Omar, I'm good, man. How about you? How are things on your end? Let's move on to the main screen, man. I do have the trading open because I'm trying to close a position right now on Sandal, waiting for it to trigger. I can wait a little bit more, I guess. So I want to keep on going into the stream, see if I can get it to trigger. Positions are good today, so I'm happy. Good earnings coming in on stocks, right? So let's start with the BPTH, right? That's one we're gonna open with. So let's move there. Let's go on the daily. Thanks, man. Yeah, dude. I'm glad that you're happy that I'm streaming, man. I started coming live to do the stocks every day now at this time. We have gapped up quite a bit on Biopath. It is pumping an insane amount, even though right now it's still pulling back down from where it opened on the day. Right? It opened up here. The lines here, it's still green because we just gapped up so much. You can still tank quite a bit. Bringing facts between Bitboy and Orange to the live streams here. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Bring facts. Thanks for being here, man. So again, we don't have anything on the daily. It's just pumping insanely high. Let's go to the 5-hour chart. You can see that we moved quite a bit on the pre-market, aftermarket, and pre-market. We did create some strong bearish divergence on the 5-minute BPTH. Let's get here on yellow and move this to the 5-minute chart. There we go. Right, so with that, we have strong bearish divergence, right, for potential action to the downside. And we started to move down on that. Again, we went up incredibly high. We're bound to get some pullback. Steve, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate the like, man. I'm on the stocks. I'm on the stocks. There we go. Let's switch that on the top up there because it said crypto and I'm on the stocks version. I opened the wrong thing. Let's keep moving, man. What's up to everyone? Thank you for joining me tonight. Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Again, we're starting to move down here. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative momentum. So with that, we are creating some of this strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside to develop here. I can fib this. It's gonna be good. I think we're gonna get good areas for fibs to work with, and let's see, we're sitting sold at 32.99. Let's get some fibs out here. This will really help us get targets, particularly when I'm doing stocks like this in the short term and without prior preparation. I gotta rely on whatever tools I have, and the fibs are really good for retracements, particularly when I cannot go way back into the stock and look at the last time it was around these levels to find supports and resistances, right? So on the fibs, we noticed that we bounced at the 50, right? Failed, dropped lower. We're dropping to that 618. We could still get there probably and still have this strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. So what would be expecting to see right now with Biopaths, maybe on this bullish divergence, take a small pop, hit that 50% line, create a little bit less negative momentum, maybe go a little bit higher here on the RSI, then take a drop to that 618, maybe create that strong bullish divergence and pump. Again, that's a possibility. That's the move that I would like to see. It would have some strong bullish divergence against the RSI as well for the rally to come through. Yo, what's up, Jade? Kodak? Sure, man. Thank you for being here, Jay Smith.
What's up?
There we go. Let's move on to the 1-minute chart and figure out what's going on there. Andre, looks like you didn't sleep that much. I did. Well, sorta. The kids were here. The kids woke up last night, so yeah, a little bit tired, but I'm good, man. You know, perks of being a dad, I guess. Waking up to kids that are being potty trained. So one kid that's being potty trained. So let's go here on the 1-minute chart. I'll see if I can squeeze in a nap in the afternoon. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get it. Anyways, had a low here as well. Bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to the downside, and we've been moving down throughout the day. Now I'm just gonna drop here into the short term 1 minute. Again, the 1 minute is so volatile that like even sometimes, even though you have divergence, it might not play out as strong. But the 1 minute does have that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, man. And we're about to get a pop. Be targeting that 20 here. That 20 sitting at 13.29. Then here also low to high on the RSI, right? So from here. And with that again, action to the upside. We're still seeing sold at 37.32, so we could get back to the neutral zone. That could imply a pump up to the upside. And again, very likely you're gonna be targeting that same 20 moving average. One quick second, guys. I think my daughter was about to open the door. Wife, being the goalkeeper or the gatekeeper, just kept her at bay right now. So that's it for BPTH. Again, very, very quick. I'm going to go and recap AUVI because we were looking at that one yesterday and we did set some things. I'm basically going to go check out what happens. Again, some bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside in the 1 minute. And then the 5 minute again, it has some strong bullish divergence for a potential reversal to happen. Let's see if we can get to that 50 moving average, that 50-50 node, and see where we're going to handle it from there. Now, AUBI, that's the one I want to check it out. So I know I have it here. Here it is at $15.73. Look at the 5 minute. I'm not going to go into detail on AUBI. Yeah. Not going to go too much into detail into AUBI. I just want to tell you basically what happened, right? We had the strong bearish divergence. We created a hidden bullish. We tried to pump, failed to get higher than the previous high. We've broken the support line, thus validating the bearish divergence. We talked about that being a possibility, remember? And that break, we just went down, right? We went down hardcore. So what's happening now here are things that I'm looking for. I'm not sure how strong this bullish divergence is going to play on the 5 minute. I'm only going to be here on the 5 minute chart. I'm not going to go to the 1 minute chart for AUBI. Don't want to focus too much on this one today. It already made its play yesterday. Right now, we would be maybe hoping to see a small bounce happening, but we don't have it against our side. Just against the MACD, strong bullish divergence in the 5 minute. Again, we're calling for action to the downside, and we know with hidden bullish, like we had here, hidden bullish, if we don't get higher than the previous high, we're looking for a moving down. And again, moving down there. Why is everyone selling Bitcoin into Cardano? I'm not sure, man. Why is everyone selling Bitcoin into Cardano? This is a stock edition of the State of Crypto, by the way. Eric, thank you for being here. Right now, I'm just covering stocks. We'll check out what's happening with Bitcoin a little bit, right? Apparently, there's some news coming out for Cardano, and we'll see. Let's go to AMC, right? So AMC did move up a little bit today. Where's my AMC, man? I'm gonna have to search for it. There it is. At $6.08. It is bouncing a little bit. We did have the strong bullish divergence. We're creating the strong bearish move down slightly. We didn't create anything else that was per se bullish. And we're getting that bounced at 786, I think. Let's go on the daily real quick here and get a better look. Again, on the daily, we had the bullish divergence. Remember yesterday? Boom, we have it there. It's traced. Action to the upside. We probably talked about hitting that 786 or even hitting that 20% moving average. The 20%, that 20 moving average. Jesus. Anyways, hitting that 20 moving average and we hit it, and now we're rejecting a little bit. Still below that 786. We hit both targets to the upside. Right now, again, trying to see if we're gonna still go on pumping on the day. I'm glad that AMC is getting a green day for a lot of people that are probably in, neck deep in this. At least get out with a little bit more gains if they're planning to get out. Anyways, Channel trying to push $3, really? Right, so you're not seeing this part, but this is what I have open right now. It's not a huge amount, right? But again, this is the trade, what do we call it? Experiment that I'm doing, where we started with very little money and we're trying to grow the account, see how big we can grow it and how quickly we can grow it. So again, right now doing good. Pulling in so far around total, maybe, let's see, man. It's between both. Over $50 right now, right? Under unrealized profits. And then my Clove is still not performing there 100%. But again, it was one of the ones I'm looking for to perform maybe a little bit later on. Again, I'm doing swing trading on Clove and Jivo. Jivo is still not going to close. With Sandal, I'm really looking to close at around $3.10. So close to target. We'll see if it keeps on pumping. And we'll see if we can materialize some gains there. So AMC, where are we at on AMC? On the daily, we had the bullish divergence. Great. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Had the small bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence, moving down. We didn't create anything else. Strong bullish still kicking in, rising us higher. And again, that is fine. Let's just go here into the day and see what's happening today. Why are we moving down right now, right? Why are we going down, man? Well, we have strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? Joshua Rancid, thank you for being here, man. You bought GME at 50 and sold at 60. Interesting. Good, man. Good for you. Taking profits is good, right? Some people want to have diamond hands. That's fine. Some people want to take profits. That's fine, dude. Everyone can trade whichever way they want, right? That's pretty nice. Your free run hit was AMC. Awesome, dude. Anyways, let's go here again. We're doing hidden bullish divergence on this move, and that's why we're starting to get this small move to the upside right now. Potentially could be targeting that 20 moving average at $6.29. We're gonna see if we get there. Again, here low, negative, more negative, right? We're not going lower on the RSI. We're not having any kind of divergence against the RSI actually. It's just against the MACD, and we're playing off that a little bit. And with that, let's move on to the 1 hour chart the 1 minute chart for AMC and see what's doing there. What are we doing there, man? So let's go here, man. Great, man. High, low, low, high. Right on. I found something here. First things, strong bearish divergence for potential actually the downside. Looking at over a larger time scale, right? A larger time frame for this. That'll be the move from here to here, right? Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, moving down on that. We'll see if we can materialize that into a pump. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Thank you for joining me tonight or today for the State of Crypto. We have 24 people in the house. Thank you for being here. Hit that likes. We only have 8 likes. A lot of people in here watching. Thank you all for being here. Low, high, negative. Lower on the RSI. So some hidden bullish starting to build here, just like we had on the 5 minute, right? And it wouldn't be weird if we actually were able to match this against 5 minute chart. We do have some strong bullish divergence being developed here on this last bit. Right, look, lower and then negative, less negative against the MACD. That we're in that potential for actually the upside. Like we said, we're starting to climb, trying to get above that 20. We're not coming back below and trying to flirt with it. Actually, we're slightly above the 20, but we're trying to hold it as support. If we managed to hold support at that 20 right now on this bullish divergence, we could be looking for a retest of that 786 at $6.36. That's it for AMC. Let's go on and look at GME again, right? It does have bullish divergence on the daily. We could still be looking for some more action to the upside to happen. Let's go check out, look, even back here. Last thing we called for AMC in the 1 minute. I'm missing the stuff here on the bottom, but I can see this line here, and we're going lower, definitely going negative, less negative. And again, yesterday when I closed my night stream, I also forgot to save, so I lost a lot of data, man. I just keep losing data over the last couple days. I ended the stream and then I got into a call and I just ended really late. But I was looking at this move here and then this move here, right? So we had this hidden bearish divergence here on the 1 minute. And with that, again, like I said, we had this potential for moving to the downside. We did move down, felt to drop lower on the previous low, and then continuation to the upside. That bullish divergence just having us go up, right? So again, good stuff happening for AMC. Again, right now we still have some bullishness. Again, possibility for action to the upside into power hour. Let's see if that's gonna be. Can you leverage your likes? You see it possible 2 times soon? Awesome, dude. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Let's go and check out GME. What is GME doing? I'm actually just gonna search for it. Otherwise, it's gonna take me a while. GME, man. I'm not sure. I don't think I've seen any requests come through. So I actually don't have a lot of things lined up. I think after GME, Sandal, Jivo, and Kodak. I think that's it. So I'll keep rolling through this, man. Pushing through. Let's go to the 54 minute. Sorry, the 54 minute. GME at $54.67. Let's go on the daily. Do it again. Trying to pump a little bit. We did have this bullish divergence. It's not going up as high right now. It's actually pulling back below the previous candle opening. So we want a bullish engulf. Usually that would mean that the green here is higher than the opening red here. And with that, we could be looking for maybe. Sorry, I didn't want to move this one. Let me do it here, and I wanted to move this one. So we want to get this higher than this to have a bullish engulfing candle, and that would be a potential reversal pattern or the start of a reversal happening. That being said, not a lot happening here on the daily. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. High, higher, high, positive, high, higher. What do we have yesterday? Oh, we were looking for bearish divergence, right? Even here we had that hidden bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. We did drop, felt to drop lower than the previous low, and here we created some hidden bullish as well for continuation, right? So we dropped hidden bullish and then pumping up on that. So again, we're moving up on divergence. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. So nothing here. Again, we were bullish yesterday, so we're opening up and moving up today, right? Let's keep rolling here, man. High, higher, positive, high, higher. Neutral at Where we at here, man? We're neutral at 45.20, low, high, negative, more negative, right? We're creating some hidden bullish divergence. We could be looking for a potential stall happening here. We're above a fib. Yeah, we're below on this small fibs that I drew. We're still above that zero line. So gonna change the fibs right now. And now try to get targets to the upside in here, right? So let's go from high to low. So high to low here. What?
Hey Martin Wasp. Can you check Sundial Glowers Plaza?
Yo, for the FIFA, thank you very much for the awesome donation, man. I really appreciated that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. One up. Thank you very much for the $5, dude. I really appreciate it. What can I check out Sundial Glowers, please? Sure, man. I'm not sure which one's their ticker, but I'll check it out for you, man. No worries. It's SNDL, dude. I have a position open there. I was looking at it right now. I was like, wait, that sounds like something I have here. Yeah, look, I have a position open. It has not gotten to my close. By the way, I think you can see it there. I'm looking for a close at around. I'm looking at $3.10 exit. Still doing okay. 25. It just went down $2 from my position. Again, didn't take a huge position on it, but you know, this is the test account I told you guys I'm running with, and the experiment account that we're trying to grow. So yeah, we'll check it out, man. I appreciate that. Thank you for the kind donation. So again, we have this bullish divergence here hidden, right, against the MACD. We're between fibs. I just draw them. We're breaking below that 236. We want to claim to get above that area. We did retrace to a 382. All right, so we didn't make a valid retrace. We hit it. It could be that we're done with retracing, and we could be trying to drop more. Let's hope that's not the case. Let's hope we can get above that 236 and do a deeper retrace, maybe to that 618. At $70.36, but right now sitting at $55 and 60 cents. Yeah, I have an open position, man. Oh, you're asking FF FIFA. Sorry, Soga. I thought you were talking to me. There we go. Low high. That's it. That's it here. Neutral at 45.74. On that note, let's move on to, actually, it's the next one, dude. I had it. Like, no joke, I had it right up next, man, right there, as the next one. So we'll check out the SNDL, man. Here we go. SNDL, man. There we go, man. It's going up, dude. It's doing good. A lot of the wheat stocks seem to be pumping, right? Or yesterday and today, so it's doing really, really good today. You have 500 shares at $1.14. All right, you're doing good there. I just got in today, so I ain't getting that low. That's good. Low, high, positive, or positive, high, higher, high. There's nothing bearish here at all, right? We're looking for some fibs back here. Whenever we looked at this last, I'm gonna try to like update them and try to come up with better fibs on the 5-minute chart, but I doubt we're making any kind of valid retrace for fibs, for those fibs way back here to work. So if anything, I'm actually gonna get rid of this fibs and see where we're gonna go. Once we broke this previous zero line, right? Because we were going down. Once we broke this previous zero line, it just took off, right? So try to fib the. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fib this for reals. Low to high. I need to go high to low to get retraces to the upside, and I don't think we're gonna get fib retraces. We're at 134 in profit right now. Dude, that is amazing, bro. I'm happy for you, man. Where is this, man? To you, my friend, I will say, dude, where I have this. Here we go. Congrats on having good profits, man. Just remember, materialize some profits someday. All right, like paper profits, not good. Right? I mean, those memes someone sent me the hey about a trader saying, I'm in crypto. Well, you must be like, you hold Bitcoin. Yeah, I was like, then you should be a millionaire in paper. Are you gonna buy me a drink? No, I'm a millionaire in paper. Or something like that, right? That people don't materialize gains, so you really don't have the money on hand, right? And sometimes you want to have that cash on hand, particularly if you want to buy more. Sometimes it's not good to step all the way out of the position. Just step out a little bit of the position. Maybe you can step out, 5% of your position, take some profits. You probably recover a good amount of your entry, maybe with 10%, and then you could just play with the profits, right, and stick with the profits towards the upside. So Again, some strong bearish divergence here on the 5-minute chart. Potential fraction downside. We have moved down. I'm not seeing anything that is bullish right now. Low, high, negative, or negative. I mean, back here, some hidden bullish, but on the short term here, after we're developing this strong bearish divergence, I'm not seeing a lot that would, you know, scream, yo, we're going to go up. So we could be trying to hold on to whatever bullishness we have right now and pump a little bit higher. But we're failing, right? It's like, oh, I'm weak. We're gonna see in the next couple candles how strong he's gonna be. But cool, man. Let's see this. We're bought at 67.33. Let's go on the 1-minute chart. See what we have there, man. Right, look at this in the 1-minute chart, right? Again, a lot of the weed companies are pumping today, so I think it's a good day to buy the weed companies, right? Let's go here, right? We'll call them candy companies. Weed companies sounds bad. Call them candy companies. Oh, high. Negative, more negative. Great, man. So, low to high. And negative, more negative, right? So we have this divergence here. Again, for potential action to the upside. It's hidden bullish. That's what's keeping us afloat. We didn't have it in the 5 minutes. We couldn't see it there, right? We knew it was something that was getting us to bounce a little bit. Like I said, we don't have anything here. And on the 1 minute, we found it. So great. 1 minute. Hidden bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. We're failing to get higher in the previous high. We're rejecting the 20 right now. Let's see if we're strong enough to get above that 20. And try to see if we can pump a little bit more. You also have ICG. Also getting at 195. Cool, man. That's pretty good, man. Congrats if you fell for that, man. That's it real quick for Sundial Growers, man. Let's go check out Gevo. Remove the backs in. Here we go. Where we at on Gevo? We went up, we hit the 1618 on the short-term fibs that I have. It looks really messy here because I have fibs on shorter time scales. So I'm gonna get rid of this ones out of the daily and look at what we have here because this must all be from the short time scales. So let's get rid of this in the daily and we'll check them out there. Anyways, here we did manage to get above the previous 100%, right? So again, I think I sent something back that was from here, but those short-term fibs from low to high and then retracing a little bit, right? So I should have had some fibs from here to here. Right, again, that's the one that was hitting the 1618. I just removed it. So, guess what? I'm gonna have to undo this a little bit and undo that. There we go. Gonna get rid of this ones here. I'm just gonna keep this one. So we already hit the 1618. We traced it yesterday, I think, and look at that. Very nice hit. Retracing it a little bit. Let's see if we can get another crack at it. We are creating strong bearish divergence here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so it's clearer, but we're going low to high. In the 1 minute, there we go, man. And then high to low, right? Positive, less positive, and high to low on the RSI as well. So with that, we have that strong bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside on Gevo. It could be what it's putting pressure on the price and keeping it above the 1618. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, low, high, negative, less, negative. Negative, low, lower. Great. Something here on the 5-minute chart. We have hidden bullish divergence. Right, potential action, the upside. Again, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish right now here. Bearish here. Nope. I'm not finding anything bearish here short term. Again, just hitting this area, rejecting. Maybe the 1 hour is going to have something bearish. The last thing we had on Gevo back here yesterday would have been this move. Again, I lost some of the data, but it would have been matched with a line from here to here, right? That's, that's the only line it would make sense, dude. Yo, Madison, thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I really appreciate that.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Thank you so much for the kind donation. I really appreciate it, Madison. And thank you for being here at the Stocks Edition of Study Crypto. I guess I'll say thank you, Bring Facts, for bringing your girlfriend into the stream, man. Yay! Awesome, man. High low. Again, that's it, right? Some bullish divergence hidden. Potential action to the upside. We're hitting the 20. We're rejecting. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. See if we can manage to do something else. Things that could happen here on the 5 minute before I jump. If we fail to get lower than the previous low again, continuation to the upside. Possibility. Let's see if we can get this, man. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. High, higher, positive, less positive. All right, there's some bearish divergence here, strong on the 1 minute. Oh, the bearish divergence is strong with this one, man. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, starting to move down slightly. I do have an island up here on the MACD that I'm going to ignore briefly. But this one, I'm not sure whether or not I should consider it, man. It's just a tiny positive momentum island. If I ignore it, we do have a strong bearish divergence, so I'll move down that, right? Low, lower, negative, lower, low, and then -2, less negative momentum, right? So with that, and from here to here, we're gonna have some strong bullish divergence. So you just gotta like really check it out. 0.3, 0.2, so definitely coming in slightly lower, right? Strong bullish, action to the upside, pumping up a little bit, creating some hidden bearish and putting that pressure for the price to go down, right? So from here to here, and from here to here, again, action to downside. No problem. We'll decorate the house for your daughter's birthday. Watching you decide. Oh, that's cool, man. Congrats to your birthday, to the birthday girl, man. That's pretty cool. Awesome. That's so cool, man. Congrats. Are you gonna get like a big get together, or is it gonna be like something small because of COVID? Again, let me know, man. We like all the birthdays this year in the house were like just me, the wife, and the kids. That's good though. I mean, I don't mind. It's just awkward because I usually have at least one or two friends that are coupled come over and hang out, you know, or we'll have 1 or 2 kids, friends of the kids to come over and hang out because my son's the only one that's in school right now. But so yeah, interesting, right? Let's keep rolling, man. That's it for Givo on the 1 minute. Again, some bearish divergence. What's up? Yo, slice of birthday here with purple eyes and a candle. Yo, Madison, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Not sure why I came back into this one. Right now, I should be getting because I went to crypto instead of stocks. That's why. We should have been space monkeys right now. We're space monkeys. That's the one we wanted to come up. There we go.
Say it with me.
Legendary. We're space on. Nah, but because we're anti-social. All right, cool. I guess that's awesome though, right? Oh, that's great. You did get together at sushi place last night. Oh, that's tasty. Now you want sushi, Soka? Yeah, it's about lunchtime. It's lunchtime for me, actually. I also want sushi now. Someone requested Kodak earlier. Let's do that. Again, thank you very much for the donations, guys. I really appreciate y'all. And yeah, let's keep rolling. Kodak. What is Kodak doing, dude? I've lost track of them. Like, I know they're like, you know, with the old cameras that you had like stick and snap. The film, you know, but after that, I think they got into digital cameras, but they didn't do that well. I'm not sure what they're doing right now, man. They used to be all over the place. I actually found a building downtown the other day that was open and still had the Kodak sign, the yellow sign with the red letters. I was like, wow, that's old. I haven't seen that in a long time. It was nice. Let's check out Kodak. What's it doing, man? Let's keep rolling. High low, positive, high low, right? And also here, high low, positive. Again, I'm not seeing anything bearish here. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Does this have news? I mean, it's getting some kind of pump, so I'm not seeing anything on Kodak. Are they on the health part now? Maybe with like X-rays and stuff like that. I'm not sure if Kodak's involved in that. Everything that comes up for Kodak here, or at least when I look at news related to Kodak, come from the 7th, and it's all related to healthcare. So interesting. Nothing news, and that's from December the 7th of last year. So I'm not seeing anything on Kodak, man. I'm not sure if this is regular market motion for it, which I doubt. There's probably something else happening here, but again, on a quick look at the news, I'm not finding anything. Hello. I mean, I'm gonna hunt for data that's not there. I'm gonna go on the weekly real quick here. Make sure we don't have anything here. Yeah, low, low, high. All right, we had some hidden bullish divergence back here on the weekly. From here to here. We're doing this in 1 minute. There we go. And then from here to here. There we go, man. Awesome. So with that, hidden bullish divergence, action to the upside, getting that move. But again, nothing bearish right now. 61.36 and 61.35. So it's even here slightly higher than this high. So I'm not gonna call anything bearish for Kodak right now on the weekly. Again, we had that hidden bullish. Let's see if we can materialize into a pump. Here we came down, found support at that 20. Tightening on the Bollinger Bands. I mean, we could get a violent move happening. Let's hope it's to the upside. And we'll see where that's gonna go. Kodak and BlackBerry are coming back huge. Yeah, I heard of BlackBerry, but this wasn't BlackBerry being pumped by Wall Street bets or like rumors about Wall Street bets as well. So I'm not sure if what's Kodak also being, is Kodak being brought back by Wall Street bets? Those WSB rascals. Let's go here, man. High and higher, high. And low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower, right? Again, nothing bullish here. Low, lower, even here, low, lower. Ooh, something here. Great. On this very, very slight drop, low, lower, low. And on that move, we are getting this strong bullish divergence against the RSI from here to here. And with that, action to the upside. Yay, it's bullish. A little bit, at least for that short term. High, low, positive, positive, high. So here, low, 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 high, right? Some hit bearish. Awesome. Again, moving down on that. I don't think there's a lot of requests coming through. So I'm going to check out what else is moving the markets actually in a little bit, see what else we can talk about. Because Kodak is the last request that's come in so far, I think. What happened? Greetings from the frosty Midwest. I just found you, so glad. Up 110% on AUBI. Thanks so much, dude. You're up 110 on AUBI. Awesome, dude. Today, yeah, be careful with that. AUBI is pulling back a lot, right? So, chances of pullback are still there. I actually covered it first. Do you care for GRNH? Sure, man. We can look at that. If you hear static in the background, it's the not the express, the pressure cooker letting off the pressure. I'm not sure what the wife made, but it's gonna be tasty, I guess. We got this Ninja air fryer. It's really good. Uber? Sure, man. Oh, so you already took profits. Awesome, dude. That's great. Strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. Again, we're trying to get up. Failing to get to that 20. We could try to drop. If we fail to drop lower in this first low, we could try to rally again. But it's not really looking like it has a lot of strength right now. Let's see if that bullish divergence manages to push us to the upside. I would trace here a resistance line just to track this, right? And this is a line that I would say we very likely have to break for this bullish divergence to really confirm and go up higher, right? So this is the line that we'll be looking at again. This will be it for the 5 minute Kodak. Let's go to 1 minute chart and see what we have there. MIDDAY, sure, man. Revealing the data, I feel MC should be around 85% short interest rate. Interesting. So let's keep rolling, man. 1 minute chart. I'm just, wow, a lot of nothingness happening in between the moves. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower, right? Low, slightly lower, negative, less. Right, some strong bullish divergence here. I'm just gonna look at the last bit here for the moves. Because this is 1 minute, right? Like if we look farther back, it's really not gonna be impacted that much on this short term. So look, negative, less, negative, right? And then low to high as well. There's some strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. And with that, we get that small move up. High, low, positive. Some hit bearish. Right, high to low. And then go here, low to high. And we also have it here against the RSI. Again, potential for action to the downside on that. Getting back to that 20. Trying to hold on to it. We're actually slightly above it. But again, we're flirting with this area, right? We could start to form a triangle here on the 1 hour, on the 1 minute. Again, it's not looking too good because there's not a lot of volume, or there's not a lot of movement happening. So Kodak's okay. That's it for this one, man. Let's go to GR and H, man. What happened? Awesome. Let's go to the next one. I thought Soko was asking me something, but I just saw he has someone else. $6.59. Awesome. Let's see what these guys do, man. I'm Green Grow Technologies. Probably a wheat stock, I guess, from the name. I'm not sure, man. Anyways, let's see. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, negative. That's negative. All right, some hidden bullish divergence. I mean, hidden bullish divergence doesn't get us this insane pop. Something else has to be happening here. Maybe something on the news. But we'll see, man. Negative, less negative, low, high. Dude, why was I looking at here, man? No, I thought we had some divergence, but nope. I was mistaken. Great, no divergence. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Again, fibs are not gonna work, right? At least not in the short term. Has this been higher? Yep, it has been higher up here. We're gonna get some fibs from way up here, man. Let me see if I can get this to look a little bit better. We might have something from here to here, I guess. The low. I'll try to pinpoint here on the high real quick, just to make sure we're getting this right. A good read on this chart, right? So the high. That should be good enough. We're getting that 786 and we're rejecting it right now, so great. So let's go here. I think when I zoomed out, I might have noticed something on the RSI, and I did. I did notice something on the RSI. We're going from here to here. All right, low to high. And then we're coming in from high to low. With that, we have strong bearish divergence starting to develop here on GRNH on the daily. Let's go to the 5-minute and check it out there, man. What's happening in 5-minute, man? Yo. So, sorry, a tip's gonna come in a second.
Hello, quick TA question. Using BTC Daily right now as example, when does it officially become bearish divergence on the RSI? How many ticks do you give the little hump down to turn back up?
Yo, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate your donation to Joel Bear. Thank you very much for being here, dude. Again,
Say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Thanks so much for that. I really appreciate it. Yeah, man, I'll go back and look at the 1 hour, man. On the daily on Bitcoin. Just let me finish GRNH. I'll move on to that, and then we'll continue with Uber and MIDDAY. I mean, right now, again, it's a stock edition of Instead of Crypto. I don't do stocks, but since you gave me an awesome tip, I will go and check it out and explain to you that in a second, right? I have very limited time, though. I have only 20 minutes left for the stream. Let's go here, dude. Again, let me move quickly here on the 5-minute chart. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Some bearish divergence here real quick. Low to high, and then high to low, right? Positives, positive, and high to low on the other side. So with that, bearish divergence action to the downside, and we'll see where we're going there. Low, high, negative. All right, some hidden bullish. Great. So we did move down on that. Again, hidden bullish being created, fraction to the upside, and with that, again, we're getting that small pump happening, heading back to that 20, and going there, man. We'll see. Oh, that's awesome, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I want to get back to it right after this, man. All right, so high, low, positives, positive, high, low. Low, low, negative. Yeah. Nothing else here that's happening that's bullish or bearish. We're trying to go up on the hidden bullish. Rejected that 786. Let's see if we can get another go at it. We're bullishly holding on to that 20. That's the only thing I liked. But, you know, here we seem to have hit some kind of resistance. Look at how flat this line came on the top. Right, and right now it looks like we're hitting another resistance here. So I'm not sure we have resistance. By looking way farther back, I'm not gonna be able to get it in the 5 minutes. It's not by the time we had the chart. So maybe I'll have to, like, you know, some of these things, if I can prepare them beforehand and look at the charts, I'm able to draw more supports and resistances. Short term, we know it's high. So on the short term, we're not gonna find anything if we move back on the 5-minute chart. So Again, nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. And after that, I'll jump onto that Bitcoin question. And then I think we're going to end up the stream with MIDDAY because by the time I finish going through everything, we might be right on time. So we're going to finish with MIDDAY, go back to BPTH, and move on from there. One quick second. Thank you for that. Sorry, my son came in. He was telling me that my daughter broke something, so it's fine. I was like, dude, I'm in the middle of the stream. Knock on the door. High low, positive, high low, dude. Let's go here short term. Moving sideways, diverging a little bit, right? Look, this one here, I'm just gonna focus on this thing right here. We're getting some medium bearish divergence, right? Look, we're moving flat here on the top of the price. Like I said, right? It looks like we're hitting some kind of resistance. Look at that. And then we're going from high to low, right? So with that, some hit medium bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Let's see if we're gonna get this move down. So settle hit 303. Oh, very close to exit, man. Right, high low, what's low, high, negative, negative. Right on. So with that, that'll be it for GR and H, dude. Some bearish divergence. That's the only thing I'm seeing here. Here we had some bullish divergence from here to here, you know, and from negative to less negative, and we got some potential fraction to the upside on the MACD, and we did get that move slightly out. But like I said, we're facing a lot of resistance up here. We finally broke through it. Now apparently we're facing resistance here. Going back to the 20, let's see if we can manage to hold on to that support and pump more. I don't believe we have anything else that is bullish right now. Low, high, negative, less negative still, right? Negative, dude, I'm actually gonna make this larger, but yeah, negative, less negative, and then low to high. So nothing else building up here on GR and H. Let's see if we can manifest and pump a little bit more and negate that medium bearish divergence. But right now we have that bearish, medium bearish divergence fraction to downside. Great, man. Yo, Andresh, thank you. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Let's check it on the daily, man. You want to look at Bitcoin daily, and your question is using Bitcoin daily right now as an example. When does it officially become bearish divergence on the RSI? How many ticks usually give it a little hump to turn back up? All right, cool. So bearish divergence just means action to the downside right now. So I'm not gonna give it any ticks to go back up right now. The indicator on the RSI is pointing down, right? So the RSI is looking as it wants to go down, right? And that's fine. We get those moves indications down. We don't know how low it's going to go. Sometimes we create some hidden divergence, maybe not on the same time scale, but on the shorter time scales, hidden bullish or strong bullish divergence that could make it turn up on the 4 hour. So what I'm looking is, when you're looking for divergence, I'll be hunting for divergence on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the daily for Bitcoin, and looking at how the pieces of the puzzle could fall together, right? If we have bearish divergence on the daily, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour, I'll be looking for moving down overall. If we have strong bearish divergence and strong bullish divergence in the 4 hour, and then strong bearish divergence in the 1 hour, I mean, I would be expecting the 4 hour maybe to turn down a little bit for the next couple of hour candles, because we have that bearish divergence strong on the daily, on the 1 hour. And in turn, once the 4 hour turns down, it could then manifest into the daily bearish divergence moving down again. So I'm looking for coinciding variables. Sometimes when they don't match, like I just said, like let's say you have strong bullish or strong bearish, strong bullish, and then strong bearish, it could be that we move sideways because we're undecided on the different time scales, right? The 1 hour says we're gonna go down, the 4 hour says we're gonna go up, and then daily wants to go down. So you know, which one's gonna move? We gotta wait for that to clear out, right? So we get that sometimes, and that's when we say, look, there's some kind of indecision going on here. We're not getting matching data, so the RSI, we gotta wait a little bit more. Your leverage bet on likes paid off from 14 to 24 2 times. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Awesome, dude. Awesome support. Thank you all for being here, guys. I appreciate y'all. To everyone that's here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So bearish divergence, I would hunt for it, right? Like here, low, high, low. Again, extra downside expected. We're moving down on it. That's great. Bitcoin, it's crazy, dude. It could manage to go from here and then towards last hour of the day, just like go green and go up and not care about divergence. The market is really bullish right now. So that's something I would be keeping an eye out for, right? Again, bearish divergence. Again, you want to go from a high to a higher high and then a high to a low. Or you can go sideways on the price like we did on the other one, right? You go sideways on the price. Right, and then against your indicator, you hit a lower part, right? And that would be medium bearish divergence. And then the other one you have is when you're on your indicator going sideways, but on your price you're still going up and you're still diverging, and that is weak bearish divergence. They all have a tendency to go down. The other one that we have is the hidden divergence, and that is when your price is going from high to low and your indicator is going from low to high, and that is hidden bearish divergence. That's always traced on the top part of the candles, right? So if you're struggling to see how to see this divergence, what you can do is shift this and turn it into a line. And if you see this line, you get the spikes, right? One spike, two spikes, and you get the spikes here on the bottom, like one spike, two spikes. So if you're just hunting for divergence, this is how you would look for it. And with that, maybe look at how the action is going to play. If you cannot see with the candles, seeing it as a line, and then just remember, you draw on top of the line, and on top of the line, and on top of the indicator, you're bearish. You're drawing on the bottom of the lines here, like this one. You're drawing on the bottom of the indicator here, and the bottom of the indicator here, you're looking for bullish, right? So again, that's how I would tell you to look at bullish and bearish. I don't like using lines very much. A lot of people use lines. That's fine. For me, I like candlesticks. And hope that answers your question, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for the support and the kind donation, man. Again, if you want something more in depth, come into the night stream at 9 p.m. Central, and we can go over in more detail. I have two more stocks to move through. Uber. Someone wanted to see Uber. How's Uber doing? $63.29. Great. Let's go on the daily. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great. From back here, we're creating bearish divergence. So we had bearish divergence to here. Strong, first of all, right? Let's go with the first ones. From here to here. Strong bearish divergence against RSI. Now I'm just going to track that onto there. And guess what? It's still coming to a lower point. So again, we still have that strong bearish divergence on Uber, man. Yo, cool, man, Joel. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low on the RSI to a lower point. Sold at 36.59. That's fine. Nothing here. Now moving up, and now we're bought at 69.14. Great. Again, I'm not finding anything else besides that strong bearish divergence. It could be a possibility for action to the downside. Uber seems to be on a bull trend, right? So the bearish indicators could move us down, right? Maybe that 20 would be a target. Maybe here we can find some support around the $60 mark. Again, I'm not sure if Uber has been at these levels ever. Don't have a lot of data, so I think we've been at those levels ever. So on this chart, we're making all-time highs. We don't have a lot of areas to trace for. What I can do, there's two ways you can do for it, right? So low to high, or in this case, when I get targets to the upside, you go high to low. So in this case, I'll be going from here to here. Right, the high point to the low point. I'm trying to pinpoint it. There we go. We already retraced to 100%, and we're on track to try to hit that 1618, right? And that is at $67.74. So let's go to the 5-minute chart and see what we have there. Ooh, it just came over from the daily, man. Let's get this out of this now. Yo, I like your heart, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
High point and the one up. Thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for being here, man. Awesome, dude. Awesome tips, man. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That's crazy. Welcome back. Let's go here. High, low, positive, high, low. I'm not seeing anything here that is bearish in the short term. Low, high, negative, more negative. Yeah, or negative, positive, less positive momentum, right? So I'm looking for this bearish divergence here. So bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Let's get rid of this in the 5 hour. Sorry, kid's coming back in again. One of the kids is coming back in. Okay, thank you. One quick second. There we are. I'm back. Thank you for being here, guys. I think there's another donation coming through. It hasn't shown up yet, so it's going to show up in a second. While it comes through, I'm going to keep on moving because there we go. It should be coming up now. There we go.
This one is for Soka. Make sure it gets to him, please.
Yes, I will. Thank you very mumuch for that, man. I really appreciate it. Again, thanks so very much for the kind donation, dude. Legendary, bro.
Thank you
Thank you very much. There we go, man. Make sure I get that one to Soka, man. I'm writing it down so I know I have to like forward that to him. Hey, Viral Video, how's it going, man? I'm doing good. I'm about to leave actually in like 8 minutes or so. I'm just doing this during quick lunchtime, so gotta finish one more stock after Uber, and then we'll see, man. But thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it, man. And thank you, Lucky Very Hard, for the kind donation, man. Yes, like about accent stock. Curiously made it. Didn't make it on the list last night. Oh no, I'm sorry, man. Let's check if I can do accent today, right? I might be able to squeeze a couple minutes, but I really want to keep it on time, dude. Right? Because it is lunch break. I don't want to like overstep it.
Make sure it gets to him, please.
Yo, awesome, dude. Like your heart. Thank you very much for that. Oh, another donation coming through.
Keep up the good work.
Yo, thank you very much for that, Antonio Vasquez. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Legendary. Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that, man. Hey, Andrew, I think there's a question or something. Who's Soka? Soka's a mod here, man. So Soka and Jake help out during the streams. Jake's a little bit more active on the night stream, but Soka's also posting links and spamming links and doing a lot of the back work. He actually helped me design that logo. Well, that logo over there. The box that's around here, the squiggly lines. Well, I did the squiggly lines, but he helped me out with the images that I needed for the squiggly lines. The bottom box for the chat, I like the layout in general. So Soka does a lot of the back work also. So it's pretty cool. I'll let Jake know that you gave him a dono. Soka, I think you're here, man. So let Jake know that like your heart, send him a donation on the stock stream and put it to him on the Discord on the one that we have with the mods, man. But thank you very much for the donations. Let's keep rolling again. Bearish divergence, section of downside, sold at bought at 62.50, 62.20, moving down slightly. One of my phones is vibrating. It's a personal one, great. Let's get to the 1 minute chart. High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing here. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Great, man. We have some divergence here, right? Boom, boom. And again, this is strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. So then low to high as well. Great, man. There we go. Low, high, negative, less negative, and negative, less negative up here as well. So nothing else here. Brain facts. 1 billion USDT just minted 12 minutes ago. Are they gonna buy more Bitcoin with that? Wow, that's a lot of tether to be minted, man. High, higher, high, positive, high, higher. I'm not seeing anything here. Let me look here real quick. Low, high. Are we doing more negative momentum? I actually gotta zoom in here. Negative, less negative. Right. So I'm not looking at anything bullish or bearish. We could be getting continuation of the strong bullish divergence back here. Even from back here, low, high, negative, or low, high, right? So I'm not seeing anything bearish for Uber right now. It could be that we're just getting a retest of that 20, finding support. Looks like it still wants to move up. Let's see if we can manage to pump more on Uber. Again, I'm not seeing anything bearish at the time. And for Uber, let's go to MIDDAY. I think we looked at that one yesterday. Did we not look at that one yesterday? Maybe. Oh, we had looked at this. Great. I'm not sure if we... I can't remember if we looked at this yesterday, though. We did. We did. On the daily, we had the bullish divergence. We're moving up on that. Great. Tether printing equals Bitcoin buy, yeah. Huh, maybe Apple, right? There's rumors about Apple trying to buy that, so we'll see. High, low. Low, low, high. Not seeing anything here that is bearish right now. We do have this island here. I'm going to acknowledge it for what it is. A positive momentum island. I'm not going to call anything bearish on native yet. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So we had the bullishness. I think we had, or I saw some bullishness here. On the 5 minute, no, we had the bearish on the 5 minute. And we did move down on that slightly, hit that 20, and then popped more. Created strong bearish divergence against the MACD here, right? And again, moved down on that. Created some nope. Yeah, some hidden bullish against the RSI from back here. I think I forgot to anchor this. Yep. I did. I forgot to anchor this. All right, and then I'm looking at this move from here to here, right? Low to lower low. Again, with that, we had that bullish divergence. Hidden, actually to the upside, we're pumping up a little bit more, and we're creating hidden, strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? And then high to low here. Awesome, dude. Low high, negative, low high. Neutral at 51.62. Great, that's it for MIDDAY on the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute chart, dude. About to finish this, man. 1 minute chart. I think we might be able to squeeze in action. Anyways, we had this hidden divergence, action to the upside. Great, moved up on that, right? On the 1 minute. So that's fine. Low, lower, negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish here. Popping up more. Some strong bearish divergence building up here also on the 1 minute chart. Look from here to here. And from here to here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Again, nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 45.76. I'm going to go into action real quick. See if I can run through it. Because you mentioned that I forgot to do it yesterday, man. So I do want to comply and do it. You know that.
To do the buys.
To do the buys, right? $189.89. Let's go on the daily. Let's see what this is doing, dude. Action Enterprise. I'm not sure what these guys do. 100%. So we'll check it out, dude. High and slightly higher high. There's bearish divergence here for potential action to downside. It's the first thing that I'm looking at this as soon as I open the chart. Look, it's very obvious against the MACD and the RSI, right? High to low and high to low as well. So bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Right now we're moving up slightly, so we're gonna see how we're gonna keep on rolling with this. Now here we're going high, higher high, positive, less positive, high, low. We had some bearish divergence before we got the small drop here, and again from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. All right, so again, great stuff there. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. What's up?
This one is for my man Martin.
Oh, dude, thank you very much for that. Like your heart. I really appreciate it, man. Legendary, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, dude. Let's do the high point. And there we go, man. It went up. Thank you so much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so consume the whole dab. Let's roll, man. Or actually, it says when you do the dab, here it reads elbow cuff. So they should just change it for dab. That's what they write. That still looks good, man. Great visual job. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Again, there was some bearish divergence, moved down slightly. Low, high, low, low, right? We had some hidden bullish for that nice rally happening here. Again, we're going to close the stream with this one. Bearish divergence, actually downside. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. I'm not sure if you're doing a day trade on this or swing trading, but we're coming higher every time and we're coming lower, right? On the 5 minute. Look, again, it's super bullish. I'm not sure if it has news or something else going on for it. I'm not having time to actually go and look at the news for this as we're live because it's just a 1 hour stream. So I'm just coming in doing technical. Sometimes if it's something that pumped insanely, it's very likely that it's doing it on news. Particularly if you're seeing something on stocks that it's over a 10% pump or some crazy number. Most of the times it's usually on news. If it's a penny stock, it could be a hype happening for a stock. Maybe it was gapping up in the morning, or it was like moving up a lot on pre-market, and a lot of people are hyped for it, and you can see it pump more. But usually when you see high moves, it tends to be on news. So weird. I'm not seeing any aftermarket for this. So low, high, negative, less negative, low. It's hard to see here actually what's going on the divergences because it's so choppy here. Low, high, negative. Are we going more negative? Sideways? No, that's fine. Let's go to the 1 minute chart again real quick, and we'll finish off the stream with this one, man. Higher high, positive, That's positive high low. All right, some strong bearish divergence here, man. Right here and from here to here. Great. Have it twice. We have it twice, Captain. It's there. I see it. Right, high to low, and high to low as well. There we go, man. And here it's just gonna be a straight line on the bottom one, right? So from here to here, straight line down. Again, bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down slightly. Might head for that 20 moving average, which again would be not weird. And that 20 moving average right now sitting at $188.15. It's not a huge move down. My positions are still open here. I removed the closing here. So good stuff again. Sandal and Jivo are still doing good, and then Clove. It's the only one that's netting me a small loss right now. But again, I do believe Clove could have more potential to the upside later on. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, thank you for joining me at the State of Crypto for stocks. Thank you guys, everyone that came in here. I'm not sure how many people we had in total, but I do believe we at least had 30 viewers at some point in time. Again, if you guys like what we do, you know what to do, right? Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Yeah, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Thank you everyone that came in here, and thank you all for the kind donations that you gave. Like Vihar, Antonio Vasquez, Joel Burr, Madison Lee, and F for the FIFA. Thank you all for the awesome donations. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for joining me today. I'll catch you again tonight at the State of Crypto for regular trading of crypto. On that note, I'll be right back. BPTH, dude, I gotta sign off. I'll open it real quick, but I gotta go, man, right? $12.79. Is it moving somewhere? Yeah, I think I did set Lakvir Hehar, right? So Lakvir, thank you very much also for the kind donation, man. I really appreciate it. I think I said your name. I can't remember right now, but I think I went through the list that everyone was there. So again, bullish divergence, that's what we had. We're moving sideways right now. And with that, that is it. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Crypto Gizmo. Yes, Merry Christmas back to you, man. Again, I'll catch you guys tonight for the awesome donation. Thank you for the awesome donation. I'll catch you again tonight for the State of Crypto. That's what I wanted to say. Until then.